Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Super happy to see everyone here. OMG guys, we have a very special shopping episode for today. So this is the most requested episode and my personal favorite as well. So we are going shopping at Louis Vuitton, and for today we are going to go back to SOLAIRE Hotel. It's been a while since I have visited the Louis Vuitton at SOLAIRE Hotel. And guys, this would be the very first time that I would be checking out Louis Vuitton in person after the February 15th price increase. So I would be checking if they have new bags, how much the prices increase, how did I feel after this price increase. I would be showing you guys as much as I can and provide you the prices as well. So hopefully you enjoy this episode and let's go shopping! Hi guys, Ron here, Suking Budgetarian Fashionista. I publish vlog every Wednesdays and Saturdays about latest news about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, hauls and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here, so please click on that one so you could be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Also, please do follow me on Instagram.com/Ramirafy so you could get daily updates and styling tips coming from me. Hi guys, good morning. So we are going to different luxury stores today. The first one that we are going to would be Louis Vuitton. So hope you enjoy our shopping episode for today. See ya! Hi guys, so we are here already at SOLAIRE Hotel. So just to share you what I'm wearing, I super love what I'm wearing. So this is the first time that I will be wearing my Chanel perforated in silver metallic. I'm wearing monster shoes. I'm wearing a very Chanel-esque outfit today. Dior belt, large pearl earrings, and my Chanel earrings. I cannot show there. So how do you like my look? It's inspired by Chanel and K-pop. Yay! So let's enjoy shopping. So we are here at SOLAIRE. OMG, they're going to open one of my favorite brands, Moschino. Yay! So let's check what's new at SOLAIRE. So they are going to have a separate store for Dior men over here. So that's new at SOLAIRE. They're going to also have Burberry. Ooh, super nice. So while waiting for the shops to open, just look at this very beautiful indoor waterfall feature of SOLAIRE. Ooh, so nice. Ooh, this is the first time that I'm looking out to have. These are live plants, guys. It feels like you're in Jurassic Park. Just kidding. Let us check the window display. The store is still closed. We are very early in the morning. So this is the Louis Vuitton lens. So they still have the Louis Vuitton Nigo collection. Super nice. Ooh. 139. Oh, cute. This is the latest collection. 139. It's now 113 from 106. People Lexus. Kasi I like the combination of monogram here. Monogram eclipse. Oh my god. 113. I really like this print. $86. Structure din, camera ba? Monogram, eclipse. Pero parang I fell in love with the silver monogram print. 86. It's nice. Diba? Laki ng difference. how did you enjoy our shopping episode for today, guys? So hopefully you enjoyed this one, and please do join the conversation. Please do comment down below among the selection that I've shown you which one is your favorite. And on personal note, guys, I'll be doing a separate vlog on how I feel with the price increase, because honestly, there were a couple of bags that I was eyeing too before the price increase, but when I have visited back and I've heard how much they have increased, it's like, oh, I would just like to cry. But anyway, guys, again, hopefully you enjoyed this episode for today. Alright, so before we end our episode, let's do comment of the day, and I would love to say thank you to Cynthia Rose. Cynthia Rose, thank you so much for leaving this wonderful comment. Thank you so much, and welcome to our fam. Again, guys, I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing fam by clicking this cute little icon here, so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Also, please do follow me on Instagram.com/Amira5 so you could get daily updates and styling tips coming from me. A million thank you, guys, for staying with me in this very special shopping episode. I'll be leaving a couple of videos here for you to check out. Please stay safe. I will see you soon. Bye!